Hey guys, welcome back. Let me turn my lights up. I feel like it's looking a little dark. So I am super excited because I was sitting here filming and I heard the postman. He came up with my BH package and I have been waiting for this for like 2 weeks. So I'm so excited that it came. So I'm gonna do a BH Cosmetics haul. This is kind of like an unboxing haul. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get a pair of scissors and we're gonna bust into this and I'm gonna share with you guys what I picked up. The first thing that's on top is like this free brush set that they sent to me. This is the Sculpt and Blend mini 1 3-piece brush set. The next thing that I ordered was their liquid foundation, Naturally Flawless. And I didn't know what shade to pick up, so I ended up getting Ivory, which that sticker on top looks really like, it looks like a really pink kind of shade. So hopefully it's not that pink, because if so, it's not gonna match. Wow. That is so fair. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use that by itself. It's the only bad thing when you buy stuff online, like foundation wise, it's so hard to know what your shade is. I'm trying to pump it up. Which the packaging on this is just like the Milani. It's not pumping up. I don't know how that's gonna work. But yeah, this foundation shade is super light. So I might have to order another shade to get that to work, or maybe like once I get it on, maybe it won't look as light. I don't know. Okay, I picked up their Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. And I ended up getting shade 100. Once again, I don't know if this is gonna match. Oh, it also comes like in a, well, no, it comes out in like a little squeezy tube. Now this shade of concealer looks like that's gonna work for me. That looks like a good concealer shade and it looks like it has really good coverage on my hand. Like it looks like a very full coverage concealer. Then I picked up 2 of their brow pomades because I wanted to get a cheaper option to my Anastasia dip brow pomades. And I picked up the shade Brunette and Blonde. Because you guys know I use like a lighter shade on the front part of my brows. And then I use a darker one on the tail. And then like the palettes that I got came all wrapped up. This is the whole reason I made this BH Cosmetics purchase, was because of the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I've heard so many of my friends here on YouTube rave about this. April from Winna Makeup, Leslie with Lip Gloss Leslie. So many people love this palette, so I'm so curious to swatch this thing. Wow. Just looking at the shades in the palette, they look super beautiful. Which I know you guys have probably seen this palette like a million and one times, but oh wow. Yeah, it's like when you swatch them, they're so pigmented, especially for baked shadows. Like they are so nice. I cannot wait to use this. And I like how it's like holographic though, because I have so many like bright lights on, I feel like it's blinding me. But my color is Cancer. That's my sign. And I think it's so weird that the color that they have for Cancer is this, because when I think Cancer, I think of orange or like a cranberry color because, you know, it's supposed to be a crab. And usually those are the colors that are associated with, I don't know, it's weird. And this highlight, oh wow. It's so much different than what I thought it was gonna be. It's like a white golden kind of highlight. I thought it was gonna be more white. Then I also picked up the Backlight Highlight 6-color palette, which I heard that this is kind of like the Anastasia Moonchild palette, which I've never owned that. And you guys know I've been kind of getting into these colored like duochrome kind of highlights, which some of these, it came with like a plastic on top of it. Some of these I don't know if I would use, like these colors. They might be too much for me. Oh wow, yeah, that's just like straight up blue. I don't know how I feel about that one. I feel like some of these other ones like Strobe would probably be really pretty. Yeah, Strobe is a really beautiful, almost like a silver. So pretty. I'll have to do some up close swatches for you guys, because I always, when I do these unboxings or if I do like a haul like this, I feel like I never show you guys the swatches. So I'm gonna start showing you guys up close swatches. And I feel like it also has a decent sized mirror in here too, so that's nice. I'm gonna film a get ready with me either later today, maybe after I film this, or tomorrow with a bunch of this stuff. So we'll get to see it in action then, which that video will probably be up later this week. And then I picked up the Shade and Define 10 color contour palette. This is another one of their Studio Pro products. And then this also has plastic on top of it. I feel like this would also be a really good thing if you did a lot of freelance kind of makeup stuff. I'm gonna wipe my fingers off. They're very dirty with all the swatches. Swatches. That's what Josh calls it. But yeah, this is really pretty. I'm happy I picked this up. I feel like this would be good for a lot of you light-skinned people out there, really fair, ghostly people like me. I know I'm not like the ghosty, I know I'm not like the lightest of the lightest, but I feel pretty fair compared to like a lot of my friends. The last thing, I think this was the last thing I picked up, or the last thing I got. Sorry about the cars, I feel like they're so loud. I got the classic blush 10 color, the classic blush 10 color blush palette. So I thought that this one, these shades in here look like more of the shades that I tend to go for, more kind of just neutral colors. I was unsure about these down here. I thought they might be too dark, but I don't know, they might not be. Let me swatch these. Oh yeah. The formula just seems really nice, just like it doesn't seem, I don't know, like when you swatch it, it doesn't seem like too super overly pigmented. So yeah, I'm so excited about these. I think this would also be another great palette for like freelance makeup too. Or just like if you are new to makeup and you want to try a bunch of different like blushes and you don't want to spend a ton of money, I feel like this is really nice. So yeah, I'm so excited about all these products. You guys all have to let me know if there are some, what are your favorite things from BH Cosmetics. I know that a lot of you all told me to get like the Carly Bell, I think that's her name. Yeah, Carly Bell, her palette, which I didn't get that. And then I meant to get that SheinXO Remix palette because I have her original palette that has, you know, the lip colors in it. But I really want to just get the one that just has eyeshadows because I never used the lip colors. So yeah, you guys will just have to let me know what I should pick up from BH Cosmetics in the future. And stay tuned to my Get Ready With Me video using all of these products. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video, and I hope that you guys have a great day. If you did enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family here. And I will, like I said, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.